So I just wanted to say, see these pencils here? They're watercolor type pencil. They're almost a greasy chalkiness to them. These I just get at the art supply store. I got these from Opus. It's called Payne's Gray, and they're by Albrecht Dürer Faber-Castell. And you know what? They're really no different than these. I find them to be better priced as well than these AKW weathered pencils. There's no difference. There's probably 30 of these to Sunday of different names. These are just in a package, right? Okay. So watch this, just some water with a bit of flow agent, and watch what happens. See how they start to run? Really nice streaking, kind of streaking you could never do with a paintbrush traditionally. You just run a line. And the trick is, I find, is to sharpen the edge like a knife blade. Like sharpen it regular in a pencil, and then just put a knife edge and just cut a fine line. You can do that on any type of abbreviation or embossed texture and run it underneath. And I noticed that when you do it with some of the other colors like rust and umber, oh, it's just so awesome. And you don't need much, and that's what you get. You can use these, right, AK as well, but if you can't find them, just go to a local art store and look for watercolor pencils. It's the same deal. They activate with water, and then once the water dries, you can clear coat them and they're good to go.